Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup haul for you, but this is all makeup that I purchased from Mercari. So I'm going to go ahead and like swatch everything for you guys and try to remember the prices of everything so I can tell you what I paid. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up on Mercari, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have quite a bit of products here. I love shopping on Mercari for makeup because you can find, you know, brand new unused makeup for like really good prices, just like TJ Maxx, like the high-end makeup. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I've picked up the past like maybe 6 months. I've kind of accumulated all of this just so I could show you, and I wanted to accumulate enough for a video. Okay, I guess I'll go ahead and start with lip products. I think I have more lip products than anything else in here. So a few Kylie Lip Kits I picked up. This first one is in the shade 22, and I really love this. This I paid $6 for, and it was free shipping. So that's a great price because I think these are like 20 bucks, $22 full price. So it comes with the liquid lipstick and the lip liner. And it's just like this beautiful like burnt orange color. I absolutely love it. It's so different, I think, from anything that I have. So I'll go ahead and swatch both of these for you. Okay, there's the liner and the liquid lipstick in the shade 22. So, I mean, and I love the packaging too. I love her packaging. I don't know, I just like the design that she has on them. So I'm really excited to give these a try. I'm excited about all of this. I'll probably say that a million times like I always do. But the next one I picked up is in the shade Spice. It looks like this. And this one was $7. These were actually both from the same seller. For some reason she had marked down the other one a little cheaper, but I wasn't about to complain about it. But that's what this one looks like. Really pretty like berry color. I think this one's going to be gorgeous for fall. Actually, both of these colors are going to be gorgeous for fall. And the lip liners are really nice too. They're really smooth and they glide on nicely. Okay, and there's the shade Spice. Very pretty, very excited about these. Okay, the next couple of lip products I have are two of the Colourpop lipsticks from the Disney Designer Collection. These are the two lipsticks that I really wanted, and I think I paid only $8 for each of these, maybe even $7 for each of these on Mercari. So the first one I have is Belle, which is my absolute favorite princess, and the shade looks like this. Very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. I love that color, and I love the packaging too. It's so nice and pretty and sleek. I love the gold. I love the gold. You guys know I love gold.
I love gold.
And the next one I picked up was the second one that I really wanted from the collection. This one is Ariel, and it looks like that, just like another nice nude color. And that one looks like that. Really pretty. Absolutely loving these products, and I just can't believe the prices that I paid for some of this stuff. It's absolutely ridiculous. Actually, I have one more Kylie Lip Kit that I forgot about. I don't have the box for it anymore, but this is in the shade Grape Soda. So I have the lipstick and the lip liner, and I really liked the shade of this purple. It's different from any purple that I already own. It's more of like a blue toned purple, I would say. There, that is there. Really pretty. I love it. Okay, the next few things I have are this Kat Von D little liquid lipstick trio, the little minis. I have them in Ludwig, or Ludwig, however you pronounce that, Madrid, and Damned. So that's Ludwig, Madrid, and Damned. And I'll go ahead and swatch these. I think I only paid like $6 for all three of these. Okay, so there's Ludwig, Madrid, and Damned. Alright, and then I have one more Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Hawkind, and this I believe I paid $8 for. And I really love this color. It's really unique, like brown shade. It's kind of like a reddy brown. Really pretty. Super excited about that. Okay, next I have few more lip products. I have a Lime Crime lipstick. This is in the shade Lace Up, and I believe I paid $7 for this. I absolutely love the packaging. This is the only Lime Crime lipstick I own right now. I definitely want to pick up more. But like I said, this is in the shade Lace Up, and it's just like another brownie color there on the bottom. Okay, next I have two of the I think these are Dominique Cosmetics lemonade lip glosses. I have both colors. These were actually coming out in the BoxyCharm from this month, I think, or was it last month? It was from June or July. These were in BoxyCharm. You would get either shade. I didn't get that month's BoxyCharm, so I decided to go on Mercari and see if anybody was selling their lip glosses. I was definitely interested in both shades because the packaging is just super cute on its own with the pink lid. But I have both shades. Let me see, Strawberry Lemonade and Peach Tea. One of these I paid, Peach Tea was only $6 for some reason, but Strawberry Lemonade was about $9, but she did send me a free sample with this, which I thought was super cool. She sent the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara, so these two came together for $9, which isn't too terrible, but I will go ahead and swatch these for you as well, and they smell amazing. They smell like cake, like frosting or something delicious like that. They smell amazing. I wish all lip glosses would smell like this. But I've been really getting back into glosses lately. I've never used to wear a whole bunch of glosses, but I don't know, I'm just getting back into like the shiny lip trend, I guess. But here are the swatches. There is Strawberry Lemonade on top and Peach Tea on the bottom, so it's just like a nice nude and a nice pinky color. Really pretty, I think, for spring and summer, so I'm excited to get use out of those products. Okay, the last lip item I believe is this Ciate London Glitter Flip Transforming Glitter Liquid Lipstick in the shade Whisper, and this is the one that I was, you know, I had my eye on the most. I believe I paid $8 for this. Love the packaging, the glittery like silver lid. And I'll swatch this for you. You guys won't be able to see the glitter in, you know, just the swatch itself, but you'll be able to see the shade. And it's a beautiful brownie nude shade. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to actually put this on my lips and see the glitter come through. Okay, the next couple items I have are from Lisa Frank. Actually, they're by Glamour Dolls. One is an eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Stargazing. But I absolutely love the packaging. You guys know, if you're a 90s kid, you love Lisa Frank. Yes, girl. There's the outer packaging of the eyeshadow. And then that's what it looks like there. Just a nice shimmery brown color. Or like a goldy, actually, more of a goldy color. So that's the eyeshadow in Stargazing. And then I also picked up the Bitten and Bronzed Matte Bronzer. And then that's what that packaging looks like with the leopard print. Super cute. And there's the bronzer there. There's the bronzer and the shadow. There we go. Super cute. And I believe I paid about $6 or $7 for each of these, which is a little pricey, I guess, but I mean, it's a lot cheaper than what the full price would have been, so can't complain. Actually, I think I might have gotten these together. These might have come together for like $8 or $9. I'll have to double check everything. If I can find the prices of what I paid for everything, I will list them below for you guys in case you're interested. But just know that just because that's what I paid for these products, that you may not pay the same, because Mercari, you know, different sellers and all that stuff. But definitely check out Mercari if you're interested in some high-end makeup for a good price. Okay, the rest of the stuff I have to show you is all face products. I have so many highlighters to show you. I have two Jeffree Star ones here. This first one is in Peach Goddess. This is the one, I've been wanting this for so long, and I don't know why it took me so long to pick it up, but I saw it come across on Mercari for a really good price, and I had to pick it up. But this is Peach Goddess, and this is absolutely stunning. There we go. Peach Goddess there on the top. Look at that sheen. I love his highlighters. The second one I picked up was Siberian Gold. This one is really pretty as well. I was worried that this was going to be too dark for me, but I think this is going to be okay. Yeah. I just have to be, you know, light-handed with it, but I think it'll be okay. that Siberian gold there on the bottom, or I could always mix it with a lighter one like his ice cold. I could probably use that to lighten it up a bit. Okay, the next couple of highlighters I have are from Ofra. The first one I have from Ofra is Rodeo Drive, and I think this is like one of their pretty popular highlighters. I know this is a lot of people's favorites from them. It's a really pretty, like, I don't even know how to describe it, so I'll just show you. But it almost looks like the Siberian gold, just a tad. It's really pretty. And then the other one I picked up is in Star Island, and this one is more of like a yellow gold. And I think I like this one a little more than Rodeo Drive because I think this one will suit my skin tone just a tad better there on the bottom. But they're both really gorgeous. I don't own any other highlighters from Ofra, so I was happy to come across these and give these a try and add them to my collection. Okay, the next highlighter I have is from Give Me Glow Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Transcendent. The packaging looks like this, really nice and classy looking, and that's the shade there. And this one is absolutely blinding. If you guys can even tell. So pretty. It's almost got like almost a rose gold kind of coppery shift to it. But it's so pretty, and with a light hand I think it'll work just fine on my skin tone. And the next and last highlighter I have is from Becca, and this is in Opal Flashes Jade. The packaging looks like this. I found so many Becca products on Mercari. I'm so excited about it. But this is such a really cool highlighter because, like it says, it flashes jade. There we go. You guys can see it there. It's so different, and like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's so pretty, and I'm so excited to actually wear it on my cheeks. Okay, the last three things I have are some face palettes, and I probably won't swatch these just because it's too much. Okay, it's just too much. But the first thing I have is the Love Flush Long Lasting 16-Hour Blush Wardrobe from Too Faced, and it looks like this. I was really excited to come across this. That's what the colors look like. Super cute packaging. And I have a couple of these in the singles or like the mini sizes, but I really wanted the palette as well, just because I don't know, I just wanted to add the palette as well to my collection, so I'm super happy to have found that. The next thing is, I was really happy to find this as well because I could not find this in stores when it first came out. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Palette, or Butter Collection Palette in light medium. And it looks like this, and of course it came with the perfume, but I've been using it and it's almost gone because it smells amazing. But it comes with the bronzer, blush, and two highlighters here, which are brand new and limited edition. So that's what this looks like. I'm sure you guys have all seen this when it came out, but I just was able to get my hands on it recently, and I'm super happy about it, so I am glad to add that to my collection. And the last thing I picked up is the Cheek Parade by Benefit, and it looks like this. And this, I got such a good deal on it, and I can't remember what it was, but it was so cheap. I want to say it was $10, honestly. But the inside just looks like this. Got two bronzers, Hoola Regular, Hoola Light, Dandelion blush, California blush, and Rockateur blush. I really love this one. And I really love the packaging as well, so I was super excited to add this to my collection as well. Okay, so that was everything that I've picked up recently on Mercari. If you like this video and want to see more of these kinds of videos, just give me a thumbs up and I'll know to continue to keep doing them because I'm always shopping on Mercari. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And thank you all so much for watching. So happy to have you here, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!